All right, friends. I hope math this week has been going well. I know it's all about customary measurement, and that is something that is probably brand new to you. So if you have any questions, please, please, please be reaching out. Measurement is so important. It's something that you're going to do throughout your life. So please reach out if you have any questions. Today is day 3, so in our packet, make sure that you're on day 3. You should have 2 pages to complete today for day 3. I think. Wow, look at you. You only have 1 page today. Only 1 page. Yay. Okay, so let's look at what it's asking us to do. It says put it all together. So choose the best unit, inches, feet, or miles, to measure the length of a whatever. So, for example, the very first one is a marker. A marker is not a mile long. And it's not even a foot long. Okay, you're going to measure in inches. So I would measure this marker in inches. So go ahead and write inch beside number 1. Number 2 is a tree. Okay, so I know I'm short, but a tree is way, way, way taller than me. So you would measure me in feet. Most trees are going to be taller than me. So you're going to measure a tree also in feet. Okay? A car. Okay, a car, you're going to measure obviously more of the width of the car or the length. You can do both. And it's also going to be measured in feet. No car is miles long, and if you measure that in inches, that would take forever. And a river. Now, a river I would measure in miles. A river is a very long and a large mass. So a river would be measured in miles. Let's look at number 5. Choose the best estimate for each question below. Circle your answer. So the length of an unsharpened pencil, here's a pencil, pretend it's not sharpened. This pencil would be measured in inches, okay? I want you to do numbers 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. Let's look at numbers 9 through 20 are all about conversions. We are going to do a couple of these together. So let's look at number 9. 6 feet equals how many yards? So I know that 3 feet equals 1 yard. So on this one, you're going to do actually 6 divided by 3. And I don't even really need to build my division house on this one because I know that 3 times a number equals 6. What is my missing number? 2. Okay? 3 times 2 equals 6. So 2 yards equals 6 feet. And I can check that because 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's look at number 10. 36 inches equals how many feet? So on this one, we're also going to be doing division. So I'm going to have 36 divided by, and we need to think, what is our divisor? So how many inches equal 1 feet or 1 foot? Look at your unit conversions on your paper. It tells you. 1 foot equals 12 inches. I have 36 inches that I'm trying to convert into feet. So I'm going to do 36 divided by 12. Again, you don't even really need your division house for this one because you know your multiplication facts. So you know that 12 times the number equals 36. And we're trying to fill in that missing number. 12 times what equals 36? 3. So my answer is 3 feet. Let's look at number 11. 3 yards equals how many feet? We did this one the other day on Monday, I think. So on this one, you're going to do 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So that would equal 9 feet. Number 12. 8 yards equals how many feet? So on this one, 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I'm going to do 8 times 3. You know your multiplication facts. You know that 8 times 3 equals 24. So 24 feet would be your answer. We are going to do number 13 together, and then we're going to skip down to the next section. So let's look at number 13. It says 5 miles equals how many feet? So let's look at our unit conversions on our piece of paper. How many feet are in 1 mile? 5,280. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on my paper. 5,280. And it asks how many feet are in 5 miles. So I'm going to take 5,280 and I'm going to multiply it by 5. So let's work this out. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. I bring down my 0 and carry my 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Bring down my 4, carry my 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. And I'm going to put my comma in the correct place. So the answer is 26,400 feet. So if you travel 5 miles, maybe from your house to the grocery store is 5 miles, then you travel 26,400 feet. Or maybe school. Your school bus travels 5 miles from your neighborhood to school. So your bus travels 26,400 feet. So your task is to finish numbers 14, 15, and 16 in that section. Let's skip down to number 17. So on here, it's giving you 2 feet and 3 inches equals how many total inches? So let's first think, how many inches are in 1 foot? Use your cheat sheet on that page. 12. So I'm going to do 12 times 2. And 12 times 2 is 24. And then I have to add in that 3, the other 3 inches that are just kind of chilling to the side. So when I do 24 plus 3, I get 27 inches. Let's look at number 18. 12 yards and 2 feet equals how many total feet? So we need to think how many feet are in 1 yard. 3. So we're going to do 12 times 3, okay? 12 times 3 is 36. 36 plus the extra 2 feet is 38. So that one is 38 feet. So your job is to finish numbers 19 and 20 on that section. Again, if you have any questions on today's math lesson, please reach out to me. I would be more than happy to do a Zoom with you and help you one-on-one, whatever you may need. Otherwise, I will see you all on Thursday. Again, I know I said it in today's reading video, but I'm seriously so proud of all of you. It makes me miss you all even more because you all were just incredible workers in class, and so many of you are keeping up that good faith effort. And I want you to know that it is so appreciated on my end, and I truly could not be more proud of you all than I am right now. And I miss you all so much. And next year when you're 5th graders, can't wait to see you all in the hallway, but still going to be pretty sad that we didn't get to finish the year together. Bye, friends. I will see you all on Thursday.